Hello my sweethearts, welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
Okay, there's a bit of, I live in the city, so you'll hear a lot of sirens, a lot of cars, a lot of kids crying, whatever. So I know I look familiar, like this eyeshadow look. I think you'll see this eyeshadow look before you see this. Yeah, you'll see the video that we're doing today, which is the Catrice or Catrice. Let me see what it reads. Catrice or Catrice, whatever it is. Catrice Cosmetics. It's a foundation that I've seen. I've been seeing in this game, so I needed to try it, so we're going to review it today. I just got some samples in store to sample out for you guys. So I have a bit of, it feels like there's nothing in here, but anyways, what can you do? So I have 5 samples along my shade. I got like 5 shades that I feel like dark black or African people would appreciate or enjoy to use. So I got the number shade 060, and then I got the number. So I'm just going to sample out here for you so that you can see. These are actually free samples that I got from Discam. Yeah, this one's. So I'm just going to show you on my skin right here how it samples out what color shade I am, because I've never tried this brand before. You know, brands that have light skinned people as their burner or cover. It's very hard for me actually to, let me start with the lightest shade. It's actually very hard for me to just go to the brand and see what it's all about. If they have someone who is darker than me, I feel like they would have my shade color. So yeah, let me just open this thing. So what I'm going to do now is sample out on my skin. So the best way, as I was doing my research, is to sample out right here, right next to your ear, just close to your jawline. I've seen a lot of people that sample out on their chest or on their hands, which is, I guess, fine with them, but for me, I think I'll use this one because apparently this is closer to your neck, which is usually not as touched by the sun. So it's so little, I don't know if this would actually cover my face. So this is in the number 600 68060. So as you can see, this is a very light color. Let me just use this mirror. Yeah, this is a very light color. This is definitely not my shade. So the next color, let me just put this one aside. So the next color that we're going to, the next shade that we're going to test out is the number 065. It looks so pink. Oh, let me wipe my fingers off. It looks very, very pink. Yeah, look. Yeah, they look similar, but they're not. Okay, the next one is in the color, I feel like this is closer to my shade, but let's see, 070. That's a bit orange, but we're just going to try it out. Yeah, this is orange. Nope. I'm a very, like, I feel like my skin is a very neutral kind of undertone. Oh, this is so red. This is absolutely red. So this is a bit orange, this is red, this is definitely pale. Yeah, these two are too pale, this is just too red. Okay, so if I don't know if there's numbers between these colors, I think I should check online. And then the next color is a 098, and this is dark. I feel like the colors have tints of red inside. I don't know if you can see this. Do you see that? They have so many red colors inside. And that is gorgeous. This is a contour for me, definitely. So I'll see if I can mix colors and see which one will work together for my skin tone. Let me check the numbers actually. So I checked the colors, and I think the only number that I don't have, it's the number 080. That's the only number that I don't have, and I feel like all these colors are not my colors. So what do we do? And I feel the 808 is a bit pink as well. It's a bit pink, so let's just see how I mix them up. And I just want to use these 5 colors that I have here. I have the last 5 colors, the last 5 shades. One is missing, like I don't know, here. Yeah, one is missing like here. So let me try this one and a bit of these two. I feel like they'll make a good shade, better than these pinks and these reds. Yeah. Okay guys, so I mixed, let me just zoom in. I mixed this shade, this color shade, which is the number 098, this one, and then I mixed it up with this one, which is the color 7070. This is too dark for me, so it will be like a contour, and this is just too, I don't know, too light. So I'm going to mix the two up together, and let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to scrape out from this pot. I just want to do the wine side so you guys could see what I'm doing, and then the other side I'll do it off camera. And I'm just going to put it right on top of that one, and then blend the two out together. I know it seems a bit dark, but which means you have to add the lighter shade right in there just to brighten up the look. Yeah, that looks much better. But it's just too orange, like it has a very orange undertone that I don't like. But it has a nice smell to it. So yeah, it's a bit dark, but I'm not complaining, definitely not complaining, but I feel like they need to step it up a bit. I'm not expert yet, but the undertones of these are just too pink or too orange or too red. So we don't have our cools, You see how like it's like I'm wearing a mask. But yeah, I feel like if I add more of this one, it will be better. So I need to remove this one. Actually dries up so quickly, this foundation, so you need to work very fast. So the next one that I'll be using, because these colors don't really match my skin tone, I'm going to use the 065, this shade, as concealer. I'm just going to use Catrice today, so you get so pink. Oh my gosh, I need you guys to see this. These colors are pink. That is pink in the middle. Okay, anyways, so I'm just going to take this pink foundation and dab it right in my, like where I usually put concealer. Blending out is actually nice and easy, and I love the coverage of this liquid foundation. It's actually Catrice HD foundation. So you can, if you think you can make it work, then please by all means buy it. But I know that the color ranges are a bit, for me anyways, they're a bit off, and this shade, this foundation dries up. Do you see how dried up it is? Yeah, it dries up very fast. Actually, it's supposed to dry up, but for my liking it dries up very fast. But you need to work around it, which I like. So I'm going to bring it up again a notch, just to highlight those areas. It's highlighting very nicely. Ooh. What I'm going to use now is the darkest shade, which I was mixing with the other shade, and this number is 098. So I'm going to use this just to contour around my face, and I'm going to use this contour brush. So today I'm just using my fingers. Oh, I look funny. So guys, we are back with the final look. I know I look familiar from the previous video that I did about the Kango eyeshadow look. So yeah, I did this this red lip just to give it a different kind of feel. But yeah, this is the final look. I like the foundation. It's very steady, it dries very quickly, it's actually very nice, but the shades were a problem, as you saw. And yeah, no, the shades were off. I don't think I'll buy it yet until I get the sample that I was missing. Maybe that one will help me and help me to see something different. But yeah, this is the final look, guys, of the foundation. If you want to buy it, you can buy it, and if you do buy it and you try it on, please tell me how you like it and how it treats your skin. The blending, is it dry, is it the texture or the feel that you like, excuse me. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye. Call again. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment in the section, people. We appreciate it. The team and I appreciate it very, very much. So I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.